So good morning everybody, we're Dane and Cindy from Midlife Travel Tales. Welcome to our travel tale, and today we're in Bangkok at Sathon Pier. We're going to be riding the riverboat, and we're just waiting for the riverboat right now. We're going to show you around how the riverboat works, the different sites, and yeah, so enjoy your time with us. If you haven't before, please like and subscribe and share, and have a great day with us. We're getting ready to go on the Chao Phraya riverboat. It's just docked and we're in the queue. So here's our boat going down to go down that river. So here we are on the boat. We've just left from Sathon Taxon. We're going under the bridges here into the city. All the buildings. This is great. Good way to see Bangkok. Nice high buildings. Come on our journey with us. So here we are in the old Chinese market area, Chinatown area, and we walk in the little narrow streets. It's quite amazing. And yeah, just follow us down the street. This is an emptier part. It's getting all the food and the chilies. All the stuff. Here's some traditional foods for the area. Here we go. I don't even know what this stuff is, but it all looks very. It looks like mushrooms. Are we back into the light of day? Just some more of the busyness of Chinatown. Lots you can get stuff really cheap there. There's a temple in there, and all the different colors, people, little alleyways everywhere. I love the colors here. Very busy part of the place. If you're ever looking for good shopping, if you like shopping, if you like bargains, if you like a lot of people, street food, this is your place. Very, very cool little place. Chinatown. The boat is taking us to Wat Arun. You can see it there ahead of us. This is our next stop after Chinatown, and we're looking quite forward to this. It's quite an experience of Wat Arun. Here we are at Wat Arun. It was built about 300 years ago during the Ayatollah period, and it's quite magnificent. Just lots of little statues everywhere on it. The detail is just incredible. So we're going to go and have a look around. Here's the traditional guardians. Cindy's all covered up, so remember, if you come here, you've got to have your shoulders covered and your knees covered as ladies. And there's another one of the guardians. There's some more of the guardians. These stairs are really steep, so if you have a problem with your knees, this is probably not a place for you. A big thing here seems to be to dress up traditionally for the local people and to come and have your photo taken. So there's all these young ladies all dressed in beautiful traditional garb, even older ladies, and getting their photos taken. So it's quite interesting seeing the play of the different cultures. So here's some big guardians at Wat Arun.
Good, very nice, good.
Here.
Thank you.
These are very impressive guardians. Really, really nice. Here we are outside the temple of the Reclining Buddha, Wat Po, and we're about to enter. You got to take your shoes off. Cindy's back wearing her long dress and cover for her shoulders. And the guardians, lots of people, lots of tourists. But this Reclining Buddha, it symbolizes Buddha passing into nirvana as he sleeps. Very impressive so far. There is the Reclining Buddha. I believe they use pearls for his eyes and feet. So here there are his eyes. It's pearl. Very, very, it's huge. The scale of it is absolutely insane. So there. The Reclining Buddha, and then you're just going to see his length. along here. It's absolutely insane. You see when you see the length of Buddha, the reclining Buddha, it is immense. I believe it's his feet are also made of pearls, and but if you just look at the length of it, you get a scale of how impressive this figure is. As I said before, it's meant to represent Buddha going to Nirvana. There's the bottom of Buddha's feet. I believe that's all done in pearl as well. Beautiful depictions inlaid on the base of his feet. So, it's truly something else. Hey everybody, we had a fantastic day out on the river. The riverboat was amazing. How much did that cost us for the day?
It was 150 baht each. It was the Chop Prior boat. It's a hop-on, hop-off boat. And you get to go along and visit all the different sites along the river. Yeah, there are about 9 stops, so that's fantastic. The only sad thing was that we couldn't get off at the Grand Palace. The Grand Palace was closed from 1 o'clock, so we had just missed that. Apparently it was a Buddhist day.
Yeah, Buddhist day, yeah. So that we'll have to get back and see the Grand Palace sometime. But our top site, what was your top site of the day?
Mine was the Reclining Buddha.
Yeah.
It was massive. You can't even imagine how huge it was.
I definitely recommend the Reclining Buddha. I enjoyed that as well. That was also my favorite. I enjoyed Chinatown as well. Those were probably my 2 top things, was Chinatown and the Reclining Buddha. But anyway, please like and subscribe. The channel is growing nicely. Hope you had a nice time with us. And again, we'll continue to make content, and follow us, share, and like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Cheers, eh?